Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna fully take this vise apart and do some detailed cleaning to it. Hopefully re-grease everything and put it back together if all goes well. So let's get right into it. Alright, next I gotta punch these pins out. You see one right here and one right here. I'm gonna use just a punch with a hammer, put it on there, tap it out. That holds the nut in place on this vise. There's a nut in here, it's got threads. That's what this threads into. There's the pin punching through there. It appears to be hitting the other side. Let me see what I could do there. Got him. Turned the camera off, but just a little more tapping, and what happened was the pin that I pushed in through this side right here went all the way through and pushed this one out this side, and the other one is still in there. Alright, so I pretty much have the whole thing disassembled, and the parts seem to be in pretty good condition. I mean, obviously there's a lot of wear on this vise, it was used, but I plan to continue to use it, so that doesn't really bother me. But all the screws and pins and everything appear to be good, so what I'm going to do now is just do a detailed clean of this. I have some degreaser. I'm going to spray the whole thing down, all these piece parts, everything basically. I'm going to spray it all down and wipe it down, try to get all the grease and dirt and grime off that I can, and maybe take a wire brush to it a little more and just get in as best shape as I can, and then grease it up and put it back together. So I'm not sure how much of the cleaning I'm going to film, just for the matter of time, so I'll probably just try to whip through that real quick, but I'll keep y'all posted. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. I got the vise completely apart. I cleaned it up pretty good. I know before I didn't have great things to say about the wire cut brush, but boy was I wrong. That really helped a lot with the large acreage areas on this vise. The hand brush did a lot better in the detailed areas, so like with most tools, they all have their advantages in certain applications. But from today I learned that I have a vise in great working condition. All the parts seem to be great. Definitely have some wear on them, but like I mentioned before, I'm okay with that. It's a working vise and I'm going to use it to work, so I'm okay with the wear in those areas. But I do need to go and do a little more detailed cleaning of this. There's some hard to reach areas like in the inside that I couldn't get all the grease out completely, so I'm gonna probably do that all off camera, maybe get a big tub of solvent and just soak it all in it, because it's just spraying and wiping with rags is pretty labor intensive and isn't super effective. But other than that, it's great. I know I mentioned before I was gonna replace these jaws, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. I mean, they're good, hard, good steel, and I think they can do a good job on this vise. So I'm probably just going to clean them up a little better, grind this out, make it a little smoother, and keep these. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.